It appears the vaccine rollout here in BC has hit its first roadblock. Pfizer says it's delaying delivery of vaccine to Canada, cutting supply by 50%.
Every time someone gets a vaccine that makes them safer, anytime it's delayed, it's obviously a problem.
As Pfizer upgrades its facility in Belgium to increase long-term vaccine production, it's decreasing the amount of vaccine it sends to Canada, immediately affecting BC's vaccine inventory.
We're expecting about 50,000 in the early part of February of Pfizer. Moderna more, of course, but Pfizer, 50,000. It's going to be about half of that in those weeks.
That means half as many people will be immunized. The strategy in BC has been to administer the first doses of vaccine to as many high-risk people as possible, specifically in hospital and long-term care settings. Second doses are being given 35 days after the first, but with much less supply now, the 35-day interval may need to be extended.
That's something for Dr. Henry, Dr. Ballum, and others to consider in the coming days with respect to that, because some provinces, of course, Quebec is at 90 days and so on, but those are questions we'll have to look at.
With fewer injections going into fewer arms in the weeks ahead, seniors advocates say now is the time to use rapid testing in long-term care and assisted living settings to help protect the most vulnerable.
We have hundreds of thousands of rapid tests that have been purchased by the federal government that are ready to deploy in care homes right across British Columbia. There's a pilot underway in Vancouver Coastal Health that's been very successful. So our argument is, short of having all the vaccinations ready to go, let's get those rapid tests rolling.
The federal government calls Pfizer's supply reduction unfortunate, but expects the company will make up for it by the end of March. BC's health minister confident the province will eventually receive all of its allotted doses.
So in terms of our planning and the huge infrastructure we have to put in place to address this doesn't change that.
But in the short term, the immunization effort has been dealt a blow, and there's no telling if and when vaccine delivery will be delayed in the future. In Vancouver, Travis Prasad, City News.